We worked hard every day, so why were we still broke? Every morning in America, millions of families wake up tired, not because they're lazy, but because of too many bills, too many responsibilities. This is not a story about poverty. This is not a story about failure. This is a story about a normal American family. This is Mark Reynolds. He's 41. He works full-time. Mark believes in one thing.
If I work hard, my family will be okay.
His wife is Emily Reynolds, 38. She manages the house, the kids. She used to work too before daycare costs made it pointless. They have 2 kids, Lucas, 12, quiet, smart, and Ava, 7, cheerful. They live in a small suburban home. Mark wakes up at 5:30 a.m., take a shower, and then coffee that tastes like exhaustion. Emily packs lunches while checking the bank app because she's anxious. Every morning starts with the same question. Did we make it through the night financially? Mark drives 40 minutes to work with heavy traffic. At work, he hears the same conversations. Everything's so expensive. My rent went up again. One evening, Emily is cooking dinner. Ava asks, "Mom, why don't we go on vacations like my friend Emma?"
Emily freezes. She smiles. We will someday, sweetheart.
Friday night, Mark opens a laptop, bills on the table, car payment, insurance, groceries bills. He adds everything and then subtracts his paycheck. No missed payment, no savings growth, just survival. Mark leans back and says, "I'm doing everything right, so why does it feel wrong?" Emily doesn't answer. She's crying silently. Mark feels angry, but not at his job, at himself. He promised his kids wouldn't feel this pressure. Emily feels guilty. She wonders if quitting work was a mistake. They don't fight loudly. They fight quietly through silence, short answers. One Sunday afternoon, Mark visits his cousin Dave. Dave isn't rich, but he's calm.
Mark finally asks, "How are you not stressed all the time?"
Dave says one line, "I stopped relying on one paycheck." That sentence lands heavily, Dave explains. Same job, same hours, but one small extra income stream built.
That night, Mark and Emily talk not about bills, about control. It was dependence on one job and one income. They decide, we don't need to get rich. We need to stop feeling trapped. Mark decided to start small. 1 hour a day, no face, no fancy setup. He documents what he knows on his YouTube channel, real life lessons, mistakes, and practical advice. Emily supports him. First month, $0. Second month, $10. Eighth month, $450. It's not life-changing money, but something changes inside them. Hope. For the first time in years, effort connects to progress. 1 year later, they still budget, still live modestly. But credit cards stop growing, emergency fund starts, stress levels drop. Lucas notices. He says, "You don't seem angry anymore, Dad." Mark almost breaks down. This story isn't special. That's the point. Millions of families are living this exact life, quietly stressed, silently strong. If this story feels personal, it's because it is. You don't need luck. You need control, consistency, and one decision to change direction. If this family can do it, so can you. If this story felt like your life, subscribe to the channel for real stories, real solutions, and real change.